How is pizza made? The pizza production line is an automated system widely used in the food industry to produce pizza on a large scale. This process is designed to optimize efficiency, enhance productivity, ensure consistent quality, and reduce labor costs. Below is the process for producing frozen pizza through an automated production line. Dough preparation. The process begins with dough preparation, the fundamental ingredient of pizza. Wheat flour is carefully selected to achieve the ideal fineness and adhesion. Ingredients such as water, yeast, sugar, salt, and olive oil are precisely measured and mixed in large industrial mixers. These mixers can knead the dough to the desired smoothness and elasticity, creating dough with good rise when baked. The dough is then allowed to rest so that the yeast can activate, helping to increase the dough's volume and softness. Dough dividing and rounding. Once the dough reaches the required elasticity, it is transferred to a dough divider. This machine divides the dough into equal portions, ensuring uniform pizza bases. After dividing, these dough portions are moved to a dough rounding machine, where they are shaped into balls or flat discs. This process ensures each pizza base has precise size and shape. Dough pressing and shaping. The dough balls are then placed into a dough press, where they are flattened into bases with consistent thickness and shape. The dough press can be adjusted to produce different types of pizza bases, from thin crust, deep dish, to stuffed crust. The bases are pressed into precise shapes, creating an ideal surface for spreading sauce and adding toppings later. Sauce application. After the bases are pressed, they are moved to the sauce applicator. The automatic sauce applicator spreads a layer of tomato sauce or other sauces over the surface of the pizza base. The amount of sauce is carefully controlled to ensure each pizza has consistent flavor and even sauce distribution. Topping application. Next, the pizza bases pass through the topping applicator. This machine can apply various toppings like cheese, meat, vegetables, and spices onto the base. The process can be fully or semi-automated, ensuring even distribution of toppings and avoiding ingredient waste. The topping applicators can be programmed to add various toppings according to production requirements. Baking. After toppings are applied, the pizzas are transferred to the oven. Industrial ovens, often conveyor belt types, maintain consistent temperature and humidity, ensuring even baking on both the top and bottom of the pizza. The conveyor belt moves pizzas through different temperature zones, achieving the desired crispness of the crust and the melting of the cheese. Baking time typically ranges from 8 to 12 minutes, depending on the size and type of pizza. Automated temperature and time controls ensure the pizzas are not burnt or undercooked. Cooling and packaging. Once baked, the pizzas are quickly cooled using a rapid cooling system, preventing bacterial growth and maintaining quality post-baking. Rapid cooling helps retain the crust's crispness and the topping's freshness. The pizzas are then packaged in specialized packaging, typically sealed plastic bags or cardboard boxes with protective inner layers. The packaging is designed to keep the pizzas intact and prevent deformation during transportation and storage. Freezing. Packaged pizzas are moved into freezing chambers using blast freezers or storage freezers with very low temperatures. The freezing process extends the shelf life of the pizzas, preventing bacterial growth and preserving the flavor and structure of the pizza until it reaches the consumer. Quality control. After freezing, pizzas undergo quality checks before being shipped. Each batch is randomly sampled to ensure it meets standards for flavor, texture, and freshness. These standards include checking the crust's crispness, cheese melt, and even distribution of toppings. Microbial testing is also performed to ensure the product is free from harmful bacteria. Distribution. After quality checks, the pizzas are transported to distribution centers or retail stores, ensuring the cold chain is maintained during transit to preserve quality. Frozen pizzas offer numerous benefits, being easy to store and use, reducing food waste, providing high convenience, and offering a variety of flavors. Frozen pizzas can be stored for an extended period without losing their original taste and quality. This allows consumers to keep the product in their home freezer and use it whenever needed. With their long shelf life, frozen pizzas help reduce food waste due to spoilage. Consumers can purchase and store multiple pizzas for various occasions without worrying about the product going bad. Frozen pizzas offer high convenience, especially in emergency situations or when consumers lack cooking time. Simply reheating in the oven or microwave, the pizza is ready to enjoy. Frozen pizzas are produced with a variety of flavors and toppings, catering to the preferences and needs of diverse customer groups. Consumers can easily choose from traditional pizzas like pepperoni and seafood to more unique flavor combinations. The frozen pizza manufacturing industry is continuously evolving and improving to meet the increasing market demand. Freezing technology is being enhanced to boost efficiency and shorten freezing times. New technologies can help pizzas reach freezing temperatures faster without affecting their structure and taste. To cater to health-conscious consumers, manufacturers are developing pizzas with healthier ingredients, such as whole wheat flour, organic tomato sauce, and low-fat toppings. Frozen pizza packaging is also being improved to be more environmentally friendly. Recyclable and biodegradable packaging materials are being researched and developed to minimize environmental impact. Manufacturers are also exploring new and unique flavors to attract consumers. These innovations may include pizza varieties that combine different culinary traditions or unique toppings and sauces not previously available on the market. The frozen pizza production line using an industrial process is a complex yet efficient operation, combining modern technology with traditional processing techniques. From ingredient preparation, dough dividing, pressing bases, sauce application, topping, baking, to packaging, each step is meticulously performed to ensure the highest quality. Frozen pizzas offer convenience, diverse flavors, and long-term storage capability, meeting the growing demand of consumers. The challenges and future trends in this industry will continue to drive innovation and improvement, ensuring that frozen pizzas not only retain their traditional taste, but also become richer and more appealing to global consumers.
That's all the information that we have for you today. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed today's episode, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell so you never miss out on future episodes. And be sure to also tell us what you think about today's content. Everyone's support motivates us to continue delivering quality content and to always improve. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.